Hi guys, we're here at the Sangli Elementary
High school.
Junior High School, yes. And yes, it's very amazing over here. So yeah, let's take a look over here. This is our bed. This is where we pad. So guys, this is called hallway. This is our hallway. This is where we walk and we eat and we run. Yes, so that's good actually. So yeah. Yes, so yes,
Next part.
this is the step. This is our that's the CR.
Yes. Naku din ako maging cameraman.
Yes, and this is the stairs. This is this is where we walk when we go upstairs. And that is the kids over there. Look at them.
Very hardworking.
Yes, they're hardworking, dancing very, very hard. Because it's their called festival. And we don't have that because we don't know why.
Grabe, pagod na pagod sila.
And look at that view.